1979 Boston Whaler Montauk. Okay, working on restoring this original steering cable. What is this? Which I thought wasn't too bad. Maybe I can tape this up, but nope. Looking under the rigging tunnel, it's like that, and like that. Okay, and like that. So basically, need new steering cable. Well, there's an issue. Well, the issue is the helm. The helm, original helm, has, here's the end of the tube, that's normal. This end here, it's threaded. They stopped making threaded connectors anymore. So what you need is an adapter. Okay, so I got the U-Flex, 18 feet, M66, 18 feet, universal steering cable. $100 for this box. And guess what? Look at this, optional K66 nut adapter. Converts cable for use with threaded style helm. So guess what I got here? This is the adapter. $25 from Amazon. Okay. Kit for to thread helm. K66 thread adapter. So let's install that. I've already installed. Here's the end of it. Going through the rigging tunnel. Blah blah blah. Going through there, blah 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 blah, end of it. So let's install that now. So the adapter, pretty well made, aluminum machine, insert into the end of the tube. Actually, hello, I'm gonna take this out. Full of grease though. Okay. So here we go. Like that. Insert through there. Okay, see this part here, this notch area? So the screw will be set against that so that this big nut adapter won't move anymore. So put it like that, and you tighten the nut. So the screw has been tightened and it's on the notch area, end of it. Whoever invented this, genius idea on how you can adapt this to an old style helm, 1979 Boston Whaler Montauk. Okay, so that's it. Straightforward installation into the back of a helm. All right, good luck, y'all. Actually, I'm not done. I'm going to show you the installation. Okay, so here it is. Insert it. Turn the steering wheel counterclockwise. Keep turning it. This retracts all the way in. There you go. Okay, tighten this adapter into those threads, and then you're done. All right, now I'm really done. Okay, final installation. Adapter, helm, end of it. Turn the steering wheel. Look, it works. Awesome. Okay. So again, this is the M66 18 foot. Okay. Last part, remove the lift up the outboard and then insert the rest of the steering cable.